Ayy, walk him down straight to the ground, we make sure that he don't get up. Call the Reverend and his mama, tell him come and pick him up. I'ma smack you with this 40, asking is my glizzy tuck. Only like it sloppy, she gon' beatbox when she sucking me. Told her bring a friend if she ever think about fucking me. Touching who? Touching me to God, where your ass gon' be. Leave him stuck and send him up like he fucking with Cardi B. Park the car before we hit the street, I'm hopping out on feet. Get up close so I can see his teeth, but I'ma keep it brief. Ask did he remember me to introduce him to my heat. Straight off the block, you following this Kyle with big cream cheese. Ain't no bush to beat around, you not ducking 100 rounds. Whole hood been down for the count, cause we just beat it down. Ain't gotta spin back around because my target hit the ground. Cross that line, you out of bounds, they gon' find you up in the crowd. Nappy ass dreadlocks, black forces, black socks. Make the Draco pop, it's louder than a boombox. Shout out to OVO, the Drake and make your bed rock. With beef on 4 and no, just check the score and say a lot. Ay, I'm in Miami, she giving me head on Ocean Drive while a nigga outside. Told me so good, I thought that I died, but when I nutted, I had come back alive. Skid on her face, it got in her eyes. Now she telling me she legally blind. Gave her a towel and told her she fine. She kept sucking till she started crying. Point him out, shoot him out. I spotted him, I got him. He started running, so I caught him. Bag on his head, I bought him. Told my shooter do everything that I taught him. Let me know if it's a problem. Like a schoolboy, I be super quick to solve it. Thinking my shooter retarded, he take a pill and then snort it right off his fault. Snort it right off his gun. Shot 100, then pay the 100 for a bond. Send it this, I won't respond. Slam dunk a nigga like a nigga with LeBron. Leave a nigga where he stay. Same place that I met him, I made him late. Let a nigga come and play. He gon' tell his mama playing his funeral date. I got the power like Nelson Mandela. You need an umbrella whenever I spray. Leave him city like Nutella. He gon' need a pamper if he survive this day. Me and my niggas, we down for whatever. We step on whoever in retro J's. Really stick like a thorn, call it Bella. Make him Cinderella if he betray. Bitch. Ayy, walk him down straight to the ground, we make sure that he don't get up. Call the Reverend and his mama, tell him come and pick him up. I'ma smack you with this 40, asking is my glizzy tuck. Yeah, Nle Choppa, baby Mexico, Choppa. Yeah, what we on, blue face, how we coming? Yeah, yeah.
White is
I am a menace, keep me on ratchet like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3 count with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope. We wipe his nose, just like he had him a cold. I knew the boy was a hoe. Pull up with the gang, you know that we buying it. What is your shit, nigga? What is you claiming? I am a beast, you cannot time it. Don't point a finger, this shit can get done. These niggas hate, these niggas plot. Ooh, we got money, I'm running this water. You say you a killer, little nigga stop it. In the shootout, your gun was dropping. You really a hoe. You pull up, I let that bitch blow. And just like some tissue, we wiping your nose. I was on stage with the strap in my show. If you play, I'ma blow, put a tag on your toe. Pull a nigga up, send him straight to the dog. Shoot bullets in the chest, make the fuck nigga holler. I'm a big dog, great day, nigga, you a tall. This nigga, you my son, so they make me a father.